Today's been a day and I'm exhausted. So we are going to make a power bowl. This is all protein. So we are going to use jalapeno sausage. We are going to use bacon. And we are going to use chicken breast. So let's just get this bacon going first. When you're exhausted, sometimes the best thing you can do is the easiest thing you can do. And this power bowl is that. We actually ended up using a pound of bacon, a pound of sausage, and a pound of ground beef instead of the chicken. Right. And you'll see why when we get there. Okay. So we're going to use 4. Don't touch that. Don't fall on the floor. This also will be put in the fridge. We just used this skillet in another recipe in another video. And let me get this cleaned out. I love my bacon in the hybrid skillet. It makes it a little bit crispier than the Carote skillet. So I'm just swapping them out. Have you ever had one of those days where it seemed like everything you did, you had to do twice or 3 times because you just weren't thinking? Today was my day. But it's okay. It all works out in the end. Even if it doesn't work out exactly how you think it's going to, it still works out. You just have to pivot, change your focus, change your expectations. Sometimes we are tested. How we react shows whether we're growing or not. I had an episode the other day where I didn't react very well. It wasn't very nice. I was convicted very quickly for my behavior, for my mouth. I prayed for 3 days, 3 different days for forgiveness because I felt so bad. Always remember that you can't control everything that happens, but you can control your reaction. Sometimes I'm a very outspoken person. Sometimes when you're angry, that outspokenness no longer is outspokenness. It's just rude. There's no excuse for rude behavior. When you're convicted, that is the Holy Spirit reminding you that you are not falling in line with God's will. So I already made breakfast for 2 of my meals this week, and this will be for the other 2 meals. So believe it or not, one of these sausage links, I believe, has 12 grams of fat, which protein, 14 grams of protein for 1 sausage link. So now we're getting to the chicken. Watch closely because you will see why we did not use the chicken. Look, do you see this? That's disgusting. I'm not eating that. I guess it's a good thing I thought of the ground beef. Yep, same thing. I guess I'll be looking for a farmer nearby to buy my chicken from. Yep. Do you know what this is from? This is because the chicken is growing so fast. When I grew up, you didn't see things like this. It's a waste of money. I would say be careful where you buy your food. Pray over your food. Some people might say, oh, but there's nothing wrong with that chicken. How do you know that? I don't know that. I just want the best quality food that I can get for my money. That is, yes. There's going to be no chicken now. So I guess this is all going in one bowl now. We do still have ground beef over there that we're going to add as well. You know, I'm very grateful for the food that I have. So I hope I don't come across as being ungrateful for throwing the chicken away, because I am very grateful. Gonna go ahead and put the bacon in. We have our jalapeno sausage. We'll have bacon. We'll have ground beef. As a little girl, I remember being at a friend's house and they had a gas stove and we were doing just this, but we had the paper towel open and it caught fire. And two little girls did not know what to do. We almost had a heart attack. I would venture to say that her mother was not pleased with us, but she was very nice. Okay, we're starting to get a little browning over here. That's great. Y'all, I don't like limp bacon. I like mine super crispy. I think I've said that before. Doesn't even move. How do you like your bacon? Do you like it limp? Do you like it crispy? Do you like it somewhere in the middle? Let me know in the comments, what kind of meat are you going to put in your Power Bowl? So the reason that I did that is just bacon grease is going to add flavor to that sausage. This budget meal is so simple and comes together so easily. I hope you gave it a try. God bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine down upon you. Until next time, goodbye, friends.